Dear student, welcome to our EVS class. The very first chapter is our food. Do you know why do we need food? The very first question which raises why do we need food? We need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work, play, study and think. Food helps us to fight diseases. Food also helps us to become strong and healthy. We need food to grow. Without food, neither will have the energy to grow nor will have the energy to work or to do anything. So food is very necessary. In a day, we normally eat 3 main meals. We have breakfast in the morning, we have lunch in the afternoon, we have dinner at night. Normally we have 3 main meals. In the morning we take breakfast, in the afternoon we have lunch, and in the night we have dinner. We eat different kinds of food every day. Each food item is useful for our body. In these 3 meals we eat different kind of food, and each food item is very useful for our body. In our day-to-day life, we eat different kind of food. The first is energy giving food. The food that gives us energy is called energy giving food. Rice, wheat, sugar, jaggery, ghee and butter give us energy. These food items are called energy giving food. Next comes bodybuilding foods. Milk, fish, meat, pulses, cheese and paneer make our bones and muscles strong. These food items are called bodybuilding foods. Children, milk, fish, meat, pulses, cheese and paneer are called bodybuilding food because they make our bones and muscles stronger. So we should include these things in our diet. Milk is very good for our health. We should drink at least 1 glass of milk every day. Milk is called complete food also. So we should at least take 1 glass of milk every day because through milk we get all the nutrients and all the minerals and vitamins of the food itself. Next comes protective foods. Fruits and vegetables help to protect our body from diseases and help us to remain healthy. So they are called protective foods. You can see the picture of fruits and vegetables here. These are called protective foods because they help us to fight with the diseases. Balanced diet. A meal that includes some amount of bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food is called a balanced diet. The meal which is the balance of bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food is called a balanced meal. We should also drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Water helps in the digestion of the food we eat. It also helps to throw out harmful things from the body. Taking water is necessary as it cleans our body and helps to throw out harmful things. So we should take 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Next comes where do we get food? Sources of food. We get food from plants and animals. The food items we get from plants are fruits and vegetables, rice, wheat, maize. Can you name 2 other foods we get from plants? The food items we get from animals are milk, egg, honey. Junk food. We love to eat pizzas, burgers, potato chips, cold drinks, toffees and lollipops. These food items are harmful for us. These are called junk food. We should not have too much of junk food as we may fall ill. Though we love to eat pizzas, burgers, potato chips, cold drink, toffees, and other all the junk food, but we should not eat too much of junk food as it is not very good for our body. We can fall ill also if we'll take too much of junk food. Food habits. People who eat fish, meat, and egg are called non-vegetarians. People who eat cereals, pulses, fruits, and vegetables are called vegetarians. Vegetarians do not eat fish, meat, and egg. Sometimes they also do not eat garlic and onion. Some people do not eat fish, eggs, meat as well as all other food obtained from animals such as milk and milk products. They are called vegans. The difference between the vegetarians and vegans are that they don't eat the food obtained from animals include milk and milk products also. Raw food and cooked food. We eat most fruits without cooking. We eat vegetables such as cucumber, tomatoes, carrot and radish without cooking. These are called raw food. The food which is not necessary to cook is called raw food. The food that we eat without cooking it is called raw food, like most of the fruits and some vegetables like cucumber, tomatoes, carrot and radish. We can make a tasty salad by slicing cucumber, radish, onion, tomatoes and adding salt and lemon juice. We cook pulses, cereals and vegetables such as potatoes and cauliflower before eating. These are called cooked food. The food we eat after cooking is called cooked food. Some food cannot be eaten without cooking, like pulses, cereals and vegetables like potatoes and cauliflower. We have to cook them before eating, and so these are called cooked food. What we have learnt in this chapter, the very first point is we eat different kinds of food in a day. Second, we normally eat 3 main meals in a day. We have breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. Third, some food items such as rice, wheat, butter, ghee, sugar give us energy. They are called energy giving food. Fourth is food items such as fish, meat, pulses, milk and paneer make our body strong. They are called body building food. Next, fruits and vegetables protect us from diseases. They are called protective food. Next is a balanced diet includes energy giving, body building and protective foods. Next, we should have 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Next, pizza, burger, chips, etc. are harmful for our body. They are called junk food. Next is people who eat fish, meat and eggs are called non-vegetarians. Next, people who do not have fish, meat, eggs as well as milk and milk products are called vegan.